Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to protect these side areas, the carpeted areas with a protector. And I really do think that this car should have came with some non-carpeted option because it gets dirty really quick. I've already installed a sill protector and I'll link to that as well. It works really well. But before that, I installed these extenders, right? But they're just not enough. So I really want this entire thing to be protected from, dirt, hair, anything like that. Because we have a big dog and this dog sheds and the hair is almost impossible to remove. So this will help with that. You can see there's like hair everywhere. So I partnered with EVbase and they generously sent me one of these protectors for both sides. And I'll show you how to install it. And I'll link everything you see here in the description with a 20% coupon. So check it out. So first of all, let's identify which is left and which is right. And what I like about these is that they don't smell. They don't have like foul smell or anything, which is very nice. We can already tell that this one is the one that has the 12 volt socket. So this is definitely going to go on the left. And the way it sticks is with just Velcro, like this very gentle Velcro. All right, so first step in this is to remove the old one, which is just like this. It's a small piece that I installed, but really a bigger piece would have been much better. I should have done that in the beginning. All right, so I think to make it easy, you probably should remove the shelf. Okay, so I would suggest first starting from this point and moving on, okay? So let's go ahead and tuck it underneath the trim. Okay, you see how it is like that. Okay. And then continue on. Okay. Let me show you how it came out here. Okay, so that's one side. Let's do the other side. All right, so the passenger side does not have any holes because it doesn't need holes. Okay, so as before, I would start with the back pillar. And basically just position it like this. Like that. And now you can put the trim over it. Okay. And now you can continue with the rest of the panel. And just so you see, See, there's even the cutout for this. So this is a good for aligning the material. And that's how it looks like. It looks pretty good. So this is how it looks like. You can wipe it off afterwards. Protects all this, including here. All right, so what's left now is to put the sill, which will just go like this. Okay. There you go. So now you have this entire area all the way to the sill and all the way to the sides covered. All right, so again, it's very easy installation. All you have to do is just take it slow and easy, and I'm sure you're going to be able to install this very easily. Again, there's these areas here that are cut. Okay, so that's a nice indicator if you're in the right position, and it pretty much protects all the way down to this area. And there you have it. Everything is protected. Now, if you put this, I believe it's like this, then now you can carry a lot of stuff that would actually soil the carpet in the car, but now they are protected. Nice. All right, if you have any questions or comments, put it in the comment box below. Please thumb up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.